Hey guys, this is Annie from ANC. I'm in my grandma account, so don't say, dude, you're not. Why are you in your grandma account? Because I don't have an account. So I got a nerf gun. It's new in my first episode on. So, like, you pull this back, the trigger can see. Then you put this. Can see this. Go back. When you hear the click, that click, you hear, you are done. So remember, this is Andy from ASC. So bye.